Most people overpay for products like this. Here's why this one is different. I've seen dough sheeters that cost way more, but this JARYANNIX model gives you commercial-grade results without the crazy price tag. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. I've been baking professionally for years, and this machine has quickly become one of my most used tools in the kitchen. Whether I'm rolling out croissants, pizza dough, or Danish pastries, it handles everything smoothly and consistently. The stainless steel build feels solid, and the reversible conveyor belt makes it super easy to switch directions when you're working with sticky or elastic dough. One of the first things I noticed was how quiet it runs. Some commercial dough sheeters sound like they're about to take off, but this one stays surprisingly calm even at full speed. That's a big deal if you're working in a small bakery or even just in your home kitchen where noise matters. The thickness adjustment is really straightforward. Just turn the knob to set it anywhere from super thin at 0.06 inches all the way up to 1.4 inches. I've used it to roll out delicate strudel dough that needs to be paper thin, and it handled that perfectly. Then I switched to pizza dough at about 0.2 inches, and the sheet came out even every time. No more uneven bases ruining my pizzas. Another feature I love is how compact and foldable it is. Most commercial dough sheeters take up a ton of space, but this one folds down to about a third of its size. I can store it against the wall in my kitchen when I'm not using it, which is a huge plus for small workspaces. And even though it's foldable, it still feels sturdy when it's set up, no wobbling or shaking while it's running. The reversible belt is a game-saver for sticky doughs like brioche or enriched pastries. Instead of wrestling with dough that clings to the rollers, you just flip the belt direction, and it feeds through smoothly. I've had way fewer tears and wasted dough since I started using this machine. Cleaning is simple too. The stainless steel surface wipes down in seconds, and the removable parts are dishwasher safe. I usually just give it a quick wipe after each use to keep it in top shape. It's not one of those machines where you dread cleanup, it actually makes post-bake chores easier. Now, I'll be honest, it's not perfect. The motor isn't as powerful as some high-end commercial models, so if you're rolling out dough thicker than 1.4 inches or working with very dense batters, you might need to feed it in stages. Also, the initial setup takes a little patience because you have to align the belt correctly, but once it's done, it stays in place. Overall, this JARYANNIX dough sheeter is a fantastic value for anyone who needs reliable, consistent results without breaking the bank. It's durable, quiet, and easy to store, making it ideal for home bakers and small businesses alike. If you've been holding off on getting a dough sheeter because of the price or space concerns, this one might be the solution you're looking for. Check it out using the link below. For most buyers, the real question is not whether JARYANNIX 220V commercial dough sheeter machine vertical Danish pastry maker 80.9 by 19.7 inch conveyor belt reversible foldable dough sheeter 0.06-1.4 thickness stainless steel croissant pizza dough roller sounds impressive on paper, but whether strengths like adjustable thickness and powerful and durable performance actually make daily use feel easier, more dependable, and more worthwhile after the first few days of excitement wear off. What stands out about JARYANNIX 220V commercial dough sheeter machine vertical Danish pastry maker 80.9 by 19.7 inch conveyor belt reversible foldable dough sheeter 0.06-1.4 thickness stainless steel croissant pizza dough roller is how it seems positioned for buyers who want something practical, easy to understand, and worthwhile beyond the first impression. It is also smart to think about long-term satisfaction. A product like JARYANNIX 220V commercial dough sheeter machine vertical Danish pastry maker 80.9 by 19.7 inch conveyor belt reversible foldable dough sheeter 0.06-1.4 thickness stainless steel croissant pizza dough roller usually feels like the better buy when it stays convenient, comfortable, and reliable in normal everyday use instead of only looking good in the listing.